Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 205 pounds without surgery and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Welcome. Good morning. What? Yeah, I know. 500 pounds. Accidentally was making my intro and I said, I lost 500 pounds. And my son's like, what? And I'm like, yeah, me too. Yeah, no, I was not even that big. Oh, it's cold. Good morning. It's freezing. I'm taking my kid to high school and getting ready for my busy day. Today is not going to be fun. The dance studio sitting is going to be miserable. We have to be there from 4:45 to 9, but he only has a class at 7:15, I think, to 9. Is that right? That seems like really long. Maybe it doesn't go that late.
7:15 to like, no.
Yeah, I think it's 7:15 to 9. I think it's an hour and 45 minutes class. And then my daughter only has a class from 4:45 to 5:45. And there's nothing between, but we're way too far away to come home between. And that's like dinner time. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing with my food today. Wish me luck. Or their food. No idea. See ya.
We're children.
Yeah. So are we all. You are too, you know. Alrighty, it's 1:30. I still haven't fed the poor chickens. I keep hearing the rooster. Wonder if they're probably dying. There they are, gathering at the fence. We have completed the fence now. So they are trapped in here like a bunch of little birds. Sorry, birdies. Hey, Shadow. Hey, pretty Shadow. You hungry? You guys hungry? Hello. Alright, it is 2 o'clock and finally getting around to having my first meal. It took me forever to figure out what I wanted to have today because I had trying to figure out the dance studio thing. Here is what I'm having. 2 eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 32 grams of center cut bacon, 3 sugar-free jellos, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with black cherry meal with 60 grams of strawberries and 20 grams of sugar-free Lily's dark chocolate chips. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. It is almost 5, and because I don't want these to get nasty, I'm going to eat these, even though I don't really want to eat them right now, but they won't last long. And then in a little while, I'm going to eat a Quest bar, but I'm having these right now. 6:30. I just had a great chat with my friend Coco from Crazy Vision with Coco. Super cute. Oh man, I was sitting on my protein shake though. It's like warm. Bye! Secretly filming.
Why is there eggshells on my ground?
Because Finn had a boiled egg. Anyway, I'm going to eat a Quest shake. And... where's my Quest bar? I have a Quest bar, I swear. Don't make me cry. If I'm sitting on the Quest bar too, I'm going to cry. I am! Oh. I'm eating a melty Quest bar. I'm eating it anyway, guys. It's probably better. Don't they say when you microwave a Quest bar, it tastes better? Maybe being warmed up under my tuchus is the same thing, right? It's like a little chicken cooking up something. Okay, what? This is getting real bad.
Cut that over.
Oh, I totally forgot. I put my last Solé in this water with meal. So I have lots to drink while I'm here. No, you can't have some. This is my salt.
What?
My salt.
I just want some salt.
You should have brought your own salt.
Well, I didn't. There's a home.
Well, I didn't know you needed salt, or I brought you some. I did. It's in the bag.
What's in the bag? Those
Salt.
are the eggs.
Yeah, you could eat it if you need salt so bad.
I want to drink salt.
Well, guys, finally made it home. Didn't feel like I was ever going to. Let me show you. Luckily, I planned my meals way in advance. That's one thing I've been doing since I've been doing the 1400. I haven't been lazy. I have been pre-planning my whole day. And so I sent my macros to Dave this morning and told him I'm going to be super busy tonight. And this is what I planned. It's weird, but I want you to stick to it. So let me show you what I am doing. So Thursday night is soup night for us. Normally, I would do a cream chicken soup with heavy cream in it and a lot more chicken and a lot more carrots. But because I chose to have a Quest shake and a Quest bar while I was at the dance studio, which I'm very happy I did that because it made being the dance studio a lot more manageable. I'm not having any cream in my soup for that reason. So this is a chicken soup. It has 6 ounces of chicken thigh, 80 grams of celery, 30 grams of onion, only 40 grams of carrots this time, but I added 80 grams of mushrooms to kind of like make up for the bulk. So that is going to be my last meal of the day. And I am going to be having one more dose of Solé water and also my vitamins later tonight. I don't know how much editing I'm going to get done. I was trying to get done on the phone. It did not work out. So, I don't know. Wish me luck. It's starting to get overwhelming for me at the editing thing. Trying to figure out a streamlined way to do it. Anyway, the whole point of all this conversation is that I'm saying goodnight to you now. And I'm not going to see you again until maybe tomorrow. So, good night, all. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.